Good morning. Hey, it's Glenn Murray here. Good to see you again. This is going to be an awesome product that you need to get. This is called Reseller Riot 2.0. I'm doing a review on it, but I also just straight up, this is a great product because you're going to get all of David, or David as he goes by, all his products in this one package. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through I put a bonus page together for you. I'm going to go through the sales page, and then we're going to go through the offer, and we'll go through the members area and all that kind of stuff. So what is it? It's basically, David's been making affiliate products for about 10 years now, I think, and he's got a whole bunch of really cool products that you want to get your hands on. I use actually one of them that is called Mail Our List, I think it is. I get leads from almost every single day because I'm a member of it. So leads come right into my autoresponder, which is great, and I don't even have to think about it. Just like, oh, look at, there's some more leads that have popped in into my autoresponder. So let's get into this. If you're new to the channel, sorry, I just got over a killer head cold. Kind of took out my sales for the first couple of days of the new year. So basically, I make videos about affiliate marketing. I actually make a few affiliate marketing products. If you're interested in those, I put some coupons below in the description. You can go pick them up. They're just a couple of bucks. It'll help you get started. They're basically, one is just a PDF that kind of walks you through everything. The other one is a full-scale video training, and you can pick them up for just a couple of bucks. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. Give a thumbs up. And let's get into this review of Reseller Riot. All right, so first thing I'm going to show you, let's switch over to this page. Okay, so this is the sales page, and we're going to go through. So start 2023 with a bang, get 100% reseller rights to 20 best-selling products that you can sell as your own. So this is cool. So what he does is all of these products, and I own most of them: Tiger Report, Mail Our Lists, Send Your Mails, Summer Traffic, Mega Mail Out, Rhino Results. I've got Place Your Link. I've got, these are the ones. So basically, guys, these are all really about getting traffic to build a list. And why do you want to build a list? You want to build a list so that you can send offers to that list. Now, his concentration is the make money online niche, which is a huge niche because once you can sell someone into a make money online product, you can sell them into a lot of make money online products. The great thing too is once they start becoming an affiliate marketer, they're going to use something called a SaaS, or SaaS, which I'm sure you've seen that abbreviation somewhere. Software as a service is what that stands for, and that means, so if you go get Clickfunnels and you pay that monthly subscription fee, well, the affiliate that referred you gets paid a commission. It's a very, very, very good profitable way to make money, and that's how a lot of affiliates make money. We refer hosting, we refer autoresponders, and we refer software that you pay for a monthly subscription on. And on top of that, you get to sell them all these different info products on basically how to send traffic to your links so you can introduce them to these products and then get on the products. Hopefully that's making sense. Maybe you've got an aha moment. If you did, hit like, go, oh, now I get it. So a lot of times people think you just want to sell the product. No, you want to be able to have the product so that you can create an offer around it and capture someone's email so that you can show them other ways to do these things. So anyways, what's great about this is you get all these products to sell as your own, and you make 100% commissions on them. So Send Your Mails, Christmas Traffic, Affiliate Marketing Revealed. So these are just great, great products to have. So what would you do? You could do a review video like this and review each one of them and say, hey, go ahead and click the link below, and then they would go into that, go get that product, and you could get them onto your email list. Okay, so that's how this works. So what is the price of the front end? It's 10 bucks, guys. $10 to get all that. So it's a no-brainer. Just it's easy peasy. Okay, so what is inside? Well, inside is, this is basically it. You get a welcome from David. There he is there. And then you get the introduction. He's going to tell you basically how to get all the stuff that you need. And then you just start accessing the products, guys. You just go in and you get access to all these products, and you add your links, you add your stuff. Now, I would recommend creating a landing page prior to sending these products to people, or better yet, in Warrior Plus, which all these products are, in the back office where you set up your links for these, because once you buy this, you get approved for all his products. Doesn't matter if you haven't made one sale, and this is a hard thing too for affiliate marketers to, because you haven't made a sale yet. It's really hard to get approved. So basically, you're going to send them the receipt, you get approved. Now, what I recommend doing, and what I'm doing in this video here, when you see my bonus page, if you click my bonus page, you get taken to the product. But then at the end, when you want to access the bonuses, I'm going to ask you for your email. That way, my list is not just being being built by people that are just looking at stuff. It's actually being built by people that are buying things, which is even better because you want a list of buyers. So those are all the products you're going to get in there. My bonus offer to you, this is going to be up till the 16th. We've got, it gives you more information, like the front end. You can get Reseller Riot bonus giveaway rights, so you can give away some stuff. Executive Club, you go through the OTOs. He'll explain them all to you if you're interested. I picked up the Total Traffic Fix, which is like a huge, tons and tons of traffic, guys. That's why I'm getting all the thing. A massive, so here, there's a massive boost of extra traffic, 10 extra free solo ads to 30,000 members, 25 sites, free VIP upgrades, 1,500 at all 25 sites. So what you're going to get from me, the bonuses, you're going to get the 7-minute sales machine. It's going to show you exactly how to set up a huge, like just a profit-making sales machine in 7 minutes. You get the one bundle. These are more funnels for you to do. So on top of all of David's funnels that you get to promote, I'm giving you more funnels. I'm giving you 100 of the best autoresponder email messages. So once people join your email list, you can use these messages to start sending them. That's a $50 value. We're also going to give you tips on how to craft those email marketing to get higher conversions, right? Because the higher conversions you get, the better. And then you get the exclusive bonuses. And we've got, David has given me a few really good ones. I have to look them up, guys. Hold on one second here. Let me get back on here. Let me just find them. Where is it here? Okay. All right. So you're going to get TweetX, which is an app for your Chrome. It actually it helps you build your Twitter account. I use it. It's amazing. Super Shakedown, Effortless Facebook Profits, Destiny 2021, and Affiliate Takeoff. So even more incredible bonuses that you're going to get, and those will be delivered inside your delivery access area. All right, so that is, I think I covered everything, guys. Let me get back on here. So that is what Reseller Riot 2.0 is all about. Now, if this is not for you, I totally understand. Check out a couple of my products down below. I put some coupons there, so like I said, you can get them for a couple bucks each. Or check out my #1 business that I recommend online. This is a phenomenal. The link is below. Just click that, and you'll be taken to the #1 business. I think the #1 business is. It is affiliate marketing, but it's a very robust, high commission marketing program that will not only teach you how to affiliate marketing the correct way, not slimy, not scammy, none of that, but it also can make you very, very large commissions. So that's it. That's what we have for you. So this has been Reseller Riot 2.0. My name is Glenn Murray. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. It helps out the channel. And hopefully that's helpful for you. If not, if not, well then you watch the video to the end, and I thank you for it. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.